Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Smart up your life. Still with BPC. BPC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Oh, unfortunately, we still here, but this is the last season, the last segment. But okay, we still keep smile and spirit, of course, because every Tuesday we still loyal here, right? At 7 p.m. Okay. Anyway, our topic tonight we continue about privilege, or in bahasa we call hak istimewa. So guys, maybe Wahid, you have a question to Yusril by short before we going to conclusion or vocabularies. You have a short question to Yusril, and make it short also when you answer it. Okay.
Brother Yusril, I think if you have the privilege,
yes, the same question.
if you have the privilege, you have been studying hard, but you cannot reach your dream. What do you want to be? What do you want to do?
What do you mean? I cannot reach my dream?
Yeah, you cannot reach
He say
your dream.
you have privilege, but in other side you have obstacle. Even you have privilege.
Oh, really? It can happen?
Yes.
It's
not absolutely can happen if we have a privilege. There is we call rejeki or not rejeki, something like that. What is your maybe alternative, right? A second plane or third plane or fourth plane.
Yeah, if I have privilege and I have an obstacle to reach my goals, of course, logically we have to find another way, another goals, and I will do that. And for example, because I want to go abroad, get scholarship university there, but if I can't do that, my second goals is being a businessman, I guess.
Oh wow, great.
And I think that's more better. I mean better than.
Yes. Anyway, what is your conclusion for our topic tonight?
Start from me?
Yes.
Okay. The conclusion that I can get from this topic is privilege is not the thing that just come to ourselves. The privilege is the thing that we can make it. So if you want to get the privilege, you have to study hard and then fulfill every single thing that you have to fulfill. And then you will get the privilege.
Yes. Okay, nice. Great. Great statement. What about you? What is your conclusion about our topic tonight, special for privilege, hak istimewa?
Privilege, we know about the privilege. It come from it is privilege that have the other people. We know, but in reality they didn't what to say that memanfaatkan their privilege for continue their business, their dream, their goal. I suggest for all that they have like the privilege. They have more studying hard. They more study hard, structure, exercise about that. Then and the people who didn't have like the privilege, we cannot underestimate the person who didn't have like the privilege, because every people have like
strengthness,
and weakness.
Yes.
They have like a goal, they dream, they want to be like the privilege. We have to like study hard, more study hard,
dreaming, believe, make it happen.
Make it happen. If we fail like the one way, we look for like other way, until our dream, our goal to be like kenyataan.
Okay,
like
I get the point. Okay, goes to vocabularies. Maybe usually you have vocabularies or idioms or both them. Okay, make it short.
First vocabularies, I have 3. The first is maximizing.
Yes.
Means memaksimalkan. And then recognize means mengenali. And then for idioms, I have don't cry over spilled milk.
What is
means
mean?
that when you ketika kamu misalnya sudah ujian dan hasilnya jelek karena kamu tidak belajar, ya you can say that your friend can say that to you. Don't cry over spilled milk because you don't learn. So your score is low.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Mr. Wahid? Do you have idioms or vocabularies?
The idioms it's about to. It means baru saja atau hendak.
Yes.
For example, I am about to eat coto. Saya baru saja hendak makan coto, like that.
Okay.
For one vocabulary,
Vocabularies, yes.
it's koi, C-O-Y. It means jangan malu-malu, jangan malu-malu kucing. For example, don't be coy for learning English. Jangan malu-malu ketika kita mau mempelajari bahasa Inggris. I think that's
Okay. Any else? No
Yeah,
more?
no more.
Okay, for me, my vocabularies is rich, of course, kaya, and privilege, of course, hak istimewa,
Okay.
welfare itu sejahtera, and I think that's all. Okay, thank you guys for coming in our studio here in our second home.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
Okay, for final BPC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
That's all our conversation tonight about privilege or in bahasa in hak istimewa.
Istimewa.
That's all. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.